Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you will have to open settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display its QR code to connect to it. Here you can select its security protocol, here you can change its password, and also in advanced you can also set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected, and you can also change its AP band here, and you can switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.